Welcome you all in lecture of Computer Communication Network. I, Miss Mayuri Harade, Assistant Professor in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Tulsiramji Gayakwad Patil, College of Engineering, Nagpur. Computer Network. Computer network is a collection of computing devices that are connected in various ways in order to communicate and share resources. Usually, the connections between computers in a network are made using physical wires or cables. However, some connections are wireless using radio waves or infrared signals. Networking. The generic term node or host refers to any devices on a network. Data transfer rate. The speed with which data is moved from one place to a network or another. Data transfer rate is a key issue in computer networks. Networking. Computer networks have opened up an entire frontier in the world of computing called the client-server model. Client sends request towards server and server sends response to client. Networking. File server, a computer that stores and manages files for multiple users on a network. Web server, a computer dedicated to responding to requests from the browser client for web pages. Types of networks. Local area network LAN. A network that connects a relatively small number of machines in a relatively closed geographical area. Types of topology. Various configurations called topologies have been used to administer LANs. Ring topology. A configuration that connects all nodes in a closed loop on which messages travel in one direction. Star topology. A configuration that centers around one node to which all others are connected and through which all messages are sent. Bus topology. All nodes are connected to a single communication line that carries message in one direction. WAN, the wide area network. A network that connects two or more local area networks over a potentially large geographic distance. Often, one particular node on a LAN is set up to serve as a gateway to handle all communication going between that LAN and other networks. Communication between networks is called internet working. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. The communication infrastructure that have been developed in and around large cities. Thank you.